Shavasana is the most important part of a yoga class. A yoga class is incomplete without Shavasana. It can be tailored or customized according to the class needs, according to the class structures, the students' needs, their choices, and everything. So, since we know that our channel is actually catering the yoga teachers mainly, so this video is for the yoga teachers today. If you want to practice, if you want to make your students practice different forms of different styles of Shavasana, then this is the video for you. Today we are going to dive deep into the different styles of Shavasana that a yoga teacher can make their students practice in class. तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं. First is the classic Shavasana, where we ask our students to lie down on the mat with their feet apart, with their arms apart, palms facing towards the ceiling, their eyes are closed and their body is completely relaxed. So ये Shavasana सबसे ज़्यादा practice करने वाला है. A lot of people, most of the yoga teachers actually make their students practice this classic Shavasana only. Second is the guided Shavasana. So in guided Shavasana, you can actually do guided talking or guided body scanning, I will say, where you take your students' attention to different parts of their body. But mind you, this body scanning is very, very, very tough. Why tough? Because of the voice modulation. मैंने बहुत सारे योगा टीचर्स को देखे हैं जो बहुत लाउड वॉइस में जो है गाइडेड मेडिटेशन, गाइडेड शवासना प्रैक्टिस करवाते हैं एंड it all becomes a flop. So if you know how to modulate your voice, if you don't know, you can watch out this video, but if you know, you can actually practice, make your students practice this guided Shavasana thing. Third is the Shavasana with music. So this is when you can play a very soft, calming music in the background and ask your students to just lie down. So here it seems to be very important with students who struggle with complete silence. मतलब जो students हैं ना, जो anxiety से गुजर रहे होते हैं, they actually struggle with being complete silent. So you can actually make them practice this Shavasana with music thing. This will help their nervous system to calm down. At the same time, this will not make them anxious by just practicing the complete silence thing. Fourth is the Shavasana with hands-on adjustment. Here, we make our students lie down in the classic Shavasana only, and then we go up to them and either we press their shoulders or massage their feet, or we can also use some other techniques also. If you know the massaging techniques and all, this can be used. But yes, for this doing this Shavasana technique, you need to actually ask for consent from your students. So consent is main thing जो आपको पहले पूछना है before we actually go into hands-on adjustment. Fifth is the Shavasana with singing bowls. So आपने Tibetan bowls देखा होगा, उसके थ्रू जो है आप शवासना करवा सकते हैं. साउंड हीलिंग को जब आप शवासना के साथ जो है जोड़ते हैं ना, it just works wonders. I have practiced this kind of shavasanas. I have practiced every kind of shavasanas जो मैं बात कर रही हूँ, but this is really, really effective. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा आपको एंग्जाइटी या फिर इफ़ यू आर समवन जिनको माइग्रेन का पेन है, जो मतलब आंखें बंद नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज ऑफ द हेडेक एंड एवरीथिंग, दिस टिबेटन बोल्स जो है या फिर साउंड हीलिंग जो है, दिस विल वर्क वंडर्स फॉर यू. So you can actually go for that. And if you are a yoga teacher watching this, अगर आपके students आपको ये complaints लेके आए कि they are actually suffering from migraine or anxiety or any other thing, use this technique. Use this technique to relax, to calm down their nervous system. Sixth is the Shavasana with essential oils. Few drops of essential oils if you apply in a room. Suppose यहाँ जैसे हम candles जलाते हैं and I put few drops of essential oils when I am practicing myself. I am doing the self practice. This actually works a lot. ये जो aroma therapy है ना, this actually helps us relax our nervous system. तो अगर आपके पास कैंडल वाला जो है एसेंशियल ऑयल थिंग नहीं है, यू कैन ऑलवेज use the essential oils on the wrists of your students, but you have to again ask them before doing that. Seventh is the Shavasana with props. Now this is the best if you are doing the online yoga classes. How to use the props? You can use the props like the yoga blocks or a bolster or cushion under your thighs and ask your students to lie down in the classic Shavasana. The थोड़ा सा जो elevate होता है ना हमारा जो lower body जैसे थाइस का एरिया, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्सेशन मिलता है. एंड दिस एक्चुअली helps us activates the ईरा नाड़ी. ईरा नाड़ी is the moon side, the lunar side of the body, which helps us to cool down the body. And Shavasana का main aim यही होता है, to bring the body's temperature to the normal room temperature after the yoga flow or the yoga practice. So these different kinds of Shavasanas can be practiced according to the teacher's intention or the class's environment. If you want to dive deep into topics like this, you can join our online yoga TTC of 200 hours and 500 hours. We are affiliated under the Indian Yoga Association. If you are already a yoga teacher, you don't want to do a yoga TTC anymore, you can join our yoga workshops where I give guidance to each and every topic that's related to taking a yoga class. Be it how to practice, how to make your students practice Shavasana correctly. I also take topics like this. If you want to register for any of these things, you can register by calling on this number and just registering yourself out. So I hope this video helped. Thank you.